This is second part of the video. Class 4 subject science. Our topic is today non-green plants. Non-green plants. These plants do not have chlorophyll. Hence, they cannot photosynthesize. Since these plants do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot trade the sunlight, and because of this they cannot prepare the food for themselves. These plants grow on dead and decaying organic matter and absorb food from them. Since these plants cannot prepare food for themselves, so they depend on other dead and decaying organic matter to obtain nutrients. So they grow on dead and decaying organic matter. Here, decaying organic matter means rotten plants and animals. For example, coral root and Indian pipe. These two plants, they do not have chlorophyll. It is non-green plants. Some plants like crouton have purple or red leaves. They contain chlorophyll which is hidden behind their dark color. See in this picture, it is crouton. Here the leaves are red. The red color leaves hide the green color present in the leaf. Since the chlorophyll is present in their leaves, so they can prepare their own food. The plants that obtain nutrition from dead and decaying plants and animals are called saprophytic plants. These plants do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot prepare their own food, and to obtain nutrition they depend on the dead and decaying plants and animals. These plants obtain nutrition, that is food and water, from the rotten plants and animals. Parasitic plants. Some plants depend on other plants partially or completely for their nutrition. Here partially means not completely. Depend on plant on which they grow, and completely means totally depend on plant on which they grow. Since this plant depend on other plant to obtain the nutrition, so this plant is called parasitic plants. They usually damage the plant on which they grow. These plants, they depend on other plants to obtain food and water from them, and because of this the plant on which they grow get damaged and died after few days. For example, cascata and mistletoe. These plants completely depend on other plants for food and water. Dear student, if any doubt, then text me WhatsApp message in this number. Thank you.